In 2024, the question of whether it's worth hiring a robot is more relevant than ever. It's important to note that robots in 2024 are still very slow at performing tasks. If a human were to work at the same pace as these robots, they would likely be fired for inefficiency. Robots today, while not as skilled as humans, are rapidly improving thanks to the vast amounts of real-time training data they are exposed to, especially in firms like Amazon. These robots are constantly learning and becoming more efficient each day. Despite Amazon having over 750,000 robots, they have only reduced their workforce by 100,000, still employing 1.5 million human workers. At this point in time, humans possess skills and adaptability that robots have yet to achieve. Amazon's strategy includes investing in and partially owning robotic companies. This allows them to deploy these robots in their warehouses, where they can gather real-time training data by performing day-to-day operations. This not only improves the robot's efficiency but also positions Amazon to profit when these robots are sold to other companies. A prime example is the Digit robot, which has been training at Amazon and has now found its first real-world job at GXO. This deployment marks a significant milestone in the commercial use of humanoid robots. Another significant advantage of robotics learning from our work environment, as seen with the robots at Amazon, is the ability for one robot's learning to be instantly shared with all other robots. When a robot masters a particular task or skill, this knowledge can be disseminated across the entire robotic fleet, ensuring that all robots acquire the same skill simultaneously. This contrasts sharply with human workers, who must be trained individually, with each person learning at their own pace. In environments like Amazon's warehouses, where multiple robots are operating, each robot goes through its own learning phase and shares its experiences with others. This collective learning process means that robots can rapidly improve and adapt, potentially surpassing human capabilities in grasping new tasks and skills in the future. This interconnected learning network is a powerful tool that could make robots more efficient and versatile than human workers over time. However, it's important to note that robots in 2024 are still very slow at performing tasks. If a human were to work at the same pace as these robots, they would likely be fired for inefficiency. This highlights the current limitations of robotic technology and the ongoing need for human workers who can perform tasks more quickly and with greater dexterity. While robots are becoming an integral part of the workforce, their role is still largely supportive, complementing human workers rather than replacing them entirely. In addition to their current limitations, robots in 2024 are also quite costly, making the decision to hire one a significant financial investment. The price of robots varies widely depending on their capabilities and applications. For instance, collaborative robots, cobots, can range from $8,000 to over $100,000. More advanced humanoid robots can cost between $30,000 and $150,000. These high costs include not only the initial purchase price but also ongoing expenses such as maintenance, software updates, and energy consumption. For many businesses, especially smaller ones, these costs can be prohibitive, making it challenging to justify the investment in robotic technology at this stage. As a result, while robots offer promising advancements, their high costs remain a barrier to widespread adoption in 2024.